was up for summer school.
I mean, it's whatever it is, it's attached to it.
Oh, yeah.
And it looks like, I don't know if it's growing, but I'm assuming that thread is getting longer as it gets...
Now that you mention it, I think.
Hi, dog.
What nature is, I never ceases to
I'm about to throw.
amaze. Now, if you did you peel this up and put it back on and it stuck to it again like a snail would?
I took it off.
And in surgery, I can't do anything.
No, I mean Titan. How did he get heavy?
Those things that was kind of a, when I was a kid, it was fairly newer. It had been out since.
Go at it with each other, like
The boys, the shell, the girls have a little flag. The back of the shell.
Wow.
So we're only a month away.
Wow. He's not a bust.
I don't know. I've seen him with attitude sometimes.
Never.
Hi, baby.
Be a good girl.
Depends on where it's directed.